friends, do you know how you can extract the insights or how you can draw the informations from your data? If you don't know, then in this tutorial I can make it easy for you. What you are need to do, you simply just perform a one step, and that is what that you need to identify what actually the uh, information or data types you are having or the columns you are having. For instance, you are having a data set of the order of a specific product along with timestamp. So it means that in that case you are having a time period, you are having a categorical columns, and you are having a numerical or quantitative columns. So after diagnosing this information, you can just collaborate the step one time period along with numerical, and you can also collaborate the categorical column with the numerical as well. So what sort of information you can draw? You can draw the information of the order count on the year basis, and you can find out the trend on the time period. And then you can also identify that what sort of item are being sold, and what's about the quantity, which item is performing well, which specific category is performing well, and in which size the item is being considered more, and what actually the location is having a good sale. So it varies with respect to the situation of your data. So after analyzing the basic raw data sets, I have analyzed these sort of informations I can extract from the data which I have available currently. So I can draw the trend information of the order. I can check out what actually the contribution of the item with respect to the quantity, and which one is performing better, which one is performing less. And I can also identify the which one product category is performing well or which one is worst, and even we can use top 5 and bottom 5, and we can also identify the locations. So it depends that how many categorical columns you are having. By using this website you can download the dataset, and I'm using the pizza place cell. And then after downloading it, I can import all the dataset into the Power Pivot model. And now I have already done that. If you don't know that how to import or how to create a data model, you can watch my another content which is already available on the channel, or link is also available on the description box. Okay, now I'm trying to design a first for the understanding, for your understanding, and that is what that I will create visual from where I'll use, and I'll try to extract that what actually the trend of order. So I'm just opening order date, and I took the date in the raw labels, and then I'm just use the another detail that would be um, okay. So I'm just taking the quantity, and it is and then okay, we are looking for the order count, so I don't need quantity. I just need that how many orders are placed a date in a specific day. So I'm just using that, and I'll make it convert this into the distinct count. I'll try to figure out the unique order, because the data is available which is having the same order having multiple items, so the order number is replicated, so that's why I'm using a distinct count. Okay, then just create a visual. I'm taking a line chart, and I'll try to fix it till only January month. So I'll use the wildcard here and press OK. Now you can check it out. So this is the trend, or this is the information that we have extracted from this. So in such manner I can develop, or you can extract lots of information, and you can make a pivot chart, and you can easily make your dashboard. So this is the way you can extract the information. So I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.